Hey everyone, here with our general manager Dan, discussing what his dealership goals for 2024 are.
Happy New Year, everybody. So, goals for our dealership for 2024. Um, I want to make sure that we take care of more people than we did in 2023 and more than we ever have before. For people that have credit challenges, for people just starting out with their credit, people that need a vehicle and they've been turned down elsewhere, I want to be able to step up and be able to help them. So, our goal is to help more people than we ever have before. In our service department, we want to make sure we're taking good care of our customers, in fixing any issues that they may have with their vehicles, and getting good quality vehicles out on our sales lot, as well as I want them to have a very safe environment, just like they had in 2023 with zero injuries across the board. Just overall, we appreciate you, our customers, our potential customers, and we want to help in any way that we can. Thank you.